Hey, how you doing? This is Mike, Innovative Door, and I'm going to show you what to do here on a garage door torsion spring job if you don't have a pair of springs and you need to put a matching set on. We got a Clopay 4050 here. Calls for a pair of 225 2-inch 25s. I didn't load the other spring like a dodo head, so I'm going to cut a pair. And I'm also going to show you how to cut a pair if you don't have torches. Kind of interesting thing we've done here. So first, what I always do is take off the winding plug side because it's easier to do. So you just get a pair of big channel locks. Channel lock it so that it holds that tip right there at the very end. I've already got this one pre-done. So let me move this over a little bit. Okay, and then you take your winding bar in there. Whoops, let me straighten it out a little bit. There we go. And you just take your winding bar in the plug and then spin it towards you so that the channel will hold. And then you can pull the plug off. The reason why I do that side is because it's easier to wind it back in than the stationary hub. So then measure your spring out, whatever you want it to be. I have done that. This is where we're going to do the cutting, and we're going to cut it with a chop wheel. I'm going to show you that right now. So I'm going to hand the video camera off, and they're going to film me cutting it. So when I'm doing this, I want you just down here, not on, okay? So here we go. Just hold the camera, don't touch nothing, okay? Are you zooming in on it good? Right there? All right, here we go. Also, when you do this, make the bigger the screwdriver. If you have a spring spreader, that works too. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's successfully cut. And then throw a plug. Black side goes in here. This is a left wind for the right side. So just go like this. And then if you want, I know it's sharp and it's going to cut the aluminum a little bit. That's just the way it goes. This is a lighter wire size, so like that. Put the plug back on. And you could use a winding bar. I'm using a 3-inch roller because it's right on the back of the van, so that's why I'm doing it like that. Whoops. That spring coil kind of got kitty-wampus on me. Actually, I'm going to probably nip that off there real quick. Okay, that's better. So I'm going to continue to wind it on the plug. There we go. Sometimes too the coil will not want to come over, so what I'll do is I'll use a smaller screwdriver and pry it while I'm winding. This is just if you've got your spring job in a pinch. And there we go. I'm going to do the other one, and then I'm going to have an equal pair of springs. And that's how you cut a spring if you're in a pinch with no torches. You just get a chop wheel, and just be real careful too, like towards the end when I cut where I get the spring wire to actually cut. This is a lower wire size, so it kind of just broke really easy. But like on the larger wire sizes, like 234, 243, 250, blah, 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 262 and up, when you do this, I usually stop right before it gets through because the chop wheel, you could see it kind of got mangled when I did that. But I usually stop and then I'll bend it over like that. So that's how you cut a spring in a pinch with no torches, and it works for all your needs. Call Innovative Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, drop a comment. We'll help you out any way we can. Here's all the tools we use: screwdriver, winding bar, channel locks. And like I said, if you need to too, you could always use a spring spreader to spread it out and cut it. Just be careful when you're doing it. And always, 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 always wear safety glasses. I got these on, which you can't see because you can't see me, but always wear safety glasses when you're cutting. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.